what have we here? A castle today in TriesteVillas, one of the 3 castles in Trieste. In the real estate market, words like exceptional, one of a kind are largely abused. I guess this one here is the one singularity in our system. This dates back to the years in which it was a fortress to the Venetians, and today it's on the market. This doesn't even belong to the real estate market. It's a piece of history of this territory, of this town. It touches you on an emotional level, just knowing that there was nothing around here. Only this peasants outside, probably. If you need a berth for your mega yacht, there's Porto San Rocco. And if you need any other advice on exceptional places here in the territory, give us a call. We're TriesteVillas. We thank so much our colleague Andrea Oliva. We'll get back to you in the upcoming weeks with more content. But for now, let us leave us here with a teaser. We'll leave a full link to the history of this place in the bio. Thank you so much. TriesteVillas.com. Get in touch. Ciao.